Hello again, people. Right, I've been back from doing chores, I don't know, about an hour and a half now. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and first thing I did was check the currency strength meter, and it was telling me Aussie dollar was strong and the CAD was weak. So I opened the chart, had a quick look, and as you can see, we've got a lovely trend going on here. Daily chart, always have a quick look at that, see what's going on. Don't worry about that descending trend line, obviously that's just a bit of a mess. But daily chart, nice strong green candle for today's candle. H4, got a nice reversal level up here. And you know, in other words, according to my rules, and they are just my rules, it's got to close and break above there, or break and close above there, in order to continue. You know, you can make any arbitrary rules up that you like, but I like this. Statistically it works for me, and you know, you can make it work for you. There is another situation that I don't often talk about here, which is like this is a 1, 2, 3 reversal. If you look at Vic Sperandio's stuff, he's got two nice patterns that he likes. That's the 2B reversal, which is this thing here. I studied these at length, and this is what really led me to start trading pure candlesticks, because the precision of the 2B, you know, and then the target should be up here, and that's what happens, you know, when you see, and you know, you've got the swing 1, swing 2, swing 3, this low here, you draw the line, and then the candle that breaks it, that's where he would go enter the trade. I started to when I first traded these and knew nothing about my 1, 2, 3 reversals, I hadn't even devised them or found them, I would trade the close of that candle there, and as you can see, that was that's the level there, that's the close, that's the open of the new candle, and that's the continuation, 63 pips. The other pattern that he has is the 1, 2, 3 reversal, where it fails to make a new low. So you've got this here, then you've got this bit here. I don't often talk about the 1, 2, 3s, but I studied them for years as well, and then it fails to make a new low, and then continues up. So you know, you've got a new low there, a lower low. That's where they're bringing the sellers in and taking the stops out, and off they go. And then this one here, where they've run out of power to the downside, and it reverses up. Anyway, you know, once you add the histo alert to these chart patterns, and then break and closes. The point I was going to make about this 1, 2, 3 reversal here, just look it up and type in Vic Sperandio or Trader Vic, and you'll find all the information you need. But look, we've got an internal 4-hour reversal: high, low, lower high, lower low, low high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and close. I don't often mention this because I don't want to confuse things, but it's another tool in our toolkit, guys. It's a way of attacking that bigger H4 with the lower H4, and we can do this on H1, we can do this on M15, M30, whatever. It's exactly the same. I haven't given it a name really, but it's the name is, it's an internal reversal. It's an H4 reversal inside this master, parent, call it what you like, mother reversal. So you've also got your H1s down there and all that sort of stuff, but if we go down the time frames, I've now got my pivots on the charts. We've broken the daily pivot. We were attacking the first resistance. Not much, we're out of rate. We've got some big candles forming again today, guys, so might be worth watching, doing your research on the daily before the Asian session, and seeing whether there might be some worthwhile reversals. But that's another story, and I haven't even looked into that closely. But I always check the ADRs before I enter a trade to see where we are in relation to the movement. Let's drag the trade onto the chart. This was just a waiting game for the perfect setup according to the RSI histo. I wanted to see some power into that move. We could see that it broke above the 20 there, and I don't know where I was, but I wasn't staring at this particular chart at the right time. But the minute I saw it move, I hit it, and well, you can see you've got a little pullback here. I know I was watching this pullback going on and waiting for the perfect time to enter. The ideal time was when I wasn't here, which was this bust, pullback, break and close. That would have been the perfect entry there, off of the daily pivot. That candle, that bar there, wait for that to close. As you can see, we've got a lovely trend, low, high, high, low, high, high. The momentum, no pullback whatsoever after we broke that pivot. And so the pivots, I never used to have them on my charts. They always used to confuse me, and you may find they confuse you for a while, but persevere with it, guys, because you will see. I could have taken it to the pivot, but I'm not worried. I mean, trades come, don't get greedy. I hate drawdown. I mentioned that in one of my tweets today. I absolutely really hate drawdown, which is why I devised this method to get in at the absolute optimum time. Occasionally, if I take a trade early, I pay the price of a little bit of drawdown. That was a nice 10 pip net of spread trade, so I'm quite happy with that one. So thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon, guys, and just remember, patience and discipline, and trust your indicators. All of them. FXI pivots, the hourly 8 EMA, which actually should give us, and this is another trade that I don't mention very often, the rubber band back to the hourly 8 EMA. So at the end of the day today, I'll be looking at drawing my levels on these charts, looking for reversals. What's this going up to hit now? An H4 high potentially. So H4 resistance, that was the target for that whole trade, if you remember, looking at that 1, 2, 3 reversal. So there you go, another pattern that I don't often mention, but that's something that's really important, the internal confirmation to attack the bigger confirmation. Okay, on every time frame it works the same way. Thanks for watching, have a great day.